Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. KwaZulu Natal's Provincial Commissioner General Unhlanhla Mkhwanazi has ordered a disciplinary action to be taken against Leliphoyisa lelibonakale on a viral video leseculator kulapha kuma social media platforms. A driver ayive highly emaphoyisa lenididika kahle uyite emaphoyisa iphelele but benganaso sivalo asaka driver. Le moto behamba ngalesikhulu sivinini. Ngani someone decided to take a video wayifaka laphana etinkundleni tokuqhumana lokungazange kulethe asifundile esinhle emaphoyiseni ngokuthi hayibo nayi imoto emaphoyisa uyahamba yalolo emgwaqeni but ayinaso asivalo sa driver nanoma ngabe ayinaso siphi isivalo. The fact that isemgwaqeni uyahamba, it's wrong. And we know ukuthi if it was just a normal car ihlangane nemaphoyisa beyovela imise nje, but just because imoto emaphoyisa umuntu decide ukuthi athi kutheni ngiyalolo mamina, so ithatha ivideo khona yasabalala etinkundleni tokuqhumana lokwente abantu bathatha amaphoyisa as a joke ukuthi hayibo i-joke phela le video ithatha emhla ka 1 June, Monday 1 June 2025. Yasabalala, and everyone was just talking about their video, making fun of that video. People saying ukuthi i-joke. And Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi akazange akuthanze lokho, wathi nje kufanele kuthathwe i-disciplinary action against lelo phoyisa lelo label driver that car on that day. Titokhala one thing about Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, so ufana naNkulunkulu kithi ava uthatha umsebenzi wakhe serious. So balabani nje bayasho ukuthi hayi cha vele sithandaze wena Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, so uNkulunkulu wethu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.